Hey guys, in this video we are going to discuss count function in Excel. Count is one of the simple, easy but still very important functions of Excel. Count function counts the cells from arrays that have numeric values. Numeric values meaning numbers and dates. It ignores all other cells from the counting. To illustrate how count function works and how we can use the count function, let's discuss an example. Here we have a data table in which we have names of items along with the sales in US dollar. You can see for some items we have here not available. That means we don't have any sales for these items. Let's say from this list we want to count the cells in which we have numeric values or in which we have sales figure. So what we can do for this? To count the cells with numeric values only and ignore the all other cells, we need to use count function. So let's see how we can use count function and how we can count from this list the cells that have numbers only. I will use here equal sign, count function, open parenthesis. You can see in count function we have series of parameters. So what we can do, we can simply select this full range, or otherwise we can hold the control key and we can select the cells one by one. I will choose the first method. I will simply select the full list or full range and I will close the parentheses and I will press enter. You can see the answer is 50. That means from this full list there are 15 cells that have numeric values. This count function has ignored these cells that have non-numeric values. So friends, this is a tutorial in which we have discussed a simple example on how to use count function. If you want to learn such other functions of Excel, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Microsoft Office Tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye.